queen, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this beautiful crochet Senegalese twist in my hair, and I did some single twists on top so it looks like individuals. And thank you guys for always watching my videos. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if my videos are helping you guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button for notification. Bye, enjoy the video. That's the convo pattern that I use for this hairstyle. It's pretty simple. What I'm doing now is I'm just tucking in the last braid. I'm gonna show you really slow how to install your crochet hair. Once you put your crochet hoop under the convo, you put the hair on it, you close it, you pull it gently, and you push out. You don't take your crochet hoop out yet, and you put the ends of your hair in it. You close it and you pull it, and now you can secure it down by pushing the hair down to your cornrows. I use only 4 packs of X-pression hair for this hairstyle, and I cut each pack in 2, so in total I have like 8 bundles. And I used 3 packs of color 613 and 1 pack of color 30, and it cost me only $15. Stay tuned for my next video because I'm gonna be showing you how to do those crochet Senegalese twists yourself. Thank you for watching my video. If it helped you in any way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button for notification. Bye. It's your girl Celeste. Until next time.